When compared to other Southeast Asian ethnicities such as Laotian and Vietnamese, the Hmong community still had a higher chance of developing type 2 diabetes at 27.23%. They're followed by Laotian at 24% and Vietnamese at 16.57%. What makes the issue even more alarming is that the Hmong also have the lowest rates for diabetes control or treatment. The Hmong came in at 31%, much lower than Laotian, which came in at 51%, and well below the Vietnamese, who came in at 71%.
Not only did the Hmong have the highest rate of diabetes, but they also have the worst control of their diabetes, right? Compared to all the other groups. That says about us as Hmong, as a group, being prone to this disease, and also, not having the adequate medical care, or just having some other factors that make it hard for our diabetes to be controlled as compared to the other groups.